Hello, children. Once again, this is your principal. Let me tell you, your school has been kept very well, neat and clean. I used to come to the school every day. All staffs, other than your teachers, are also coming every day. Teachers are working from home as of now, and after you have completed your summer break, I suppose you are mentally refreshed to take up your new assignments for your curriculum. We have resorted to a new app called Snap Homework, which is an integrated app with lot many facilities and a dedicated app exclusively developed for the teaching learning process. Almost all the DAVs all over the country are using this app. We are a bit late, in fact. Most of the DAVs are using this app since 2-3 years, or at least from the beginning of the pandemic. However, better late than never. We have to carry on the online classes, the online activities, till the time the government feels that it is safe to call the children to the school for regular classes. And so we need to get acquainted with all the systems and privileges of this app so far as the teaching learning process is concerned. Whenever you are concerned about any concept, there is a provision in the app that you can write it down and you can click a picture of your write-ups and you can send it to the teacher directly. He will look into it and he will give you the feedback. If necessary, the corrections can also be made over there. And we are also trying to have a chat box where while on the class or after the class even, the specific teachers will have your feedback about any concept or your concerns as well. Please make sure that all of you attend your classes regularly, because we never know when the regular classes will begin. So till the time the regular classes begin, we will have to have our classes online, and of course through this app. The teachers are working very hard from their home, of course, so that you do not lose out anything. Apart from that, you need to be physically and mentally sound. We need to do a lot of exercises. We need to take up a scientific way of living. We need to have scientific foodings so that we can have the maximum possible immunity from the so-called pandemic. And as I said earlier also, the scientists and doctors are working day and night to win this situation from the deadly virus, and as soon as we are through, we all will have our happy days again. Thank you very much. Wish you all a very good health.